I was supposed to have my surgery today. I should be probably just coming out of surgery right now. Bird. Oh! Makes you cry. What do you think?
You always laughing.
How is it? Hey guys, good day.
Hello.
Say hello, family. So we're out and about. So guys, I was supposed to have my surgery today. I should be probably just coming out of surgery right now, but I'm not. I'm here. So I spoke with the anaesthesiologist, I think that's how you say it, and I have something going on with my chest right now, whether it be asthma or something, and they didn't feel comfortable putting me to sleep with the tube down my throat with my chest like this. So they postponed it to November 6th. And I lost a stone in my ring. Before I went to Jamaica, I asked them to check it for me, and they said all the stones they cleaned it, and they said all the stones were in there nice and tight, but apparently not, because it fell out. So I have to go to the jewelry store right now and check on that and see what they could do, because I ain't going around with a ring looking like that. I'm going to have to replace it somehow.
As you know, ring is a woman's best friend. And they get her a rock.
You
did. This is what they did. So we're on our way to the jewelry store now.
And this was not a cheap ring.
They gotta do whatever it is to fix that. Because my baby love her ring.
I love my ring. So we got to do that. And the perfume, it's all gone. So I got to go buy some more perfume. Cloud, Ariana Grande.
It smells so good.
I know.
It smells really, really good.
It is. So.
And you know, because my wife knows that I like that perfume so much, oh my God, she squeezes it.
I always got to have it now. But you should see the comments I get on it, babe.
Yeah.
Like, I get a lot of comments on it. People come up to me, what are you wearing? When I was in the airport, when I was in Halifax, when I was in Jamaica, people were like, oh my, I could be just walking through Walmart or something, and people are like, oh my goodness, what is that smell? What do you have on? So it does smell good. So, are you gonna go kick the ball later?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you like driving in the car?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at all the men working. Wow. See, he's just looking at all this, guys. You know, little boys, they're so intrigued when it comes to... There was a tractor and everything. There's a tractor down there. Yeah. Who knows what the day is going to bring, eh?
Yes.
We'll see. They're open. Let's see. So, guys, they're going to size my ring. And they're going to replace the diamond. So I have no ring for a bit, but what's wrong? What happened? Uh-oh. What's wrong? What did you do? Oh, what did happen? What happened? Did you spill something? So, babe, they're going to do it for free.
What a ring?
They're going to size it, and they're going to replace the diamond. I said a prayer before I went in.
Guys, my wife, that's something she never left open. Always saying a prayer. Always.
Always.
You know what? Prayer works. Yeah. We're a living testimony for that. You know what I mean? So.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So they're going to replace it. I said, you're going to put a real diamond, right? Because I heard a horror story with these people that someone brought in a pair of earrings once to get it replaced, and they replaced it with a fake diamond. She's like, of course we're going to put a real diamond. Why wouldn't we? And I'm like, okay. I said, because I heard one time you didn't. She's like, oh no, we're definitely going to. So maybe now she'll like put a really good diamond in there.
Yeah, they're supposed to though, because the diamond not supposed to leave like
No.
like that. So
Yeah. So I'm happy about it. So one thing done. Now we got to go to London Drugs and get the perfume. And then we'll take Mr. Man, who's in a mood.
He's crying because he's that discipline him.
Oh, you
Yeah.
discipline him. Oh.
Because he's blatantly got his chips and he's blatantly throwing it out.
Oh.
So like you gotta like
Yeah.
get them in line. Like I'm not having that. I mean,
Yeah. Yeah.
so expensive. Like you don't just do that. You understand?
Yeah.
So
My daughter
because it's
Jessica is really good. He's really good. I'm starting to get good. He's like, I'm starting to hear how he's doing it and how Jessica's doing it, and it's because I'm like oh, come here, lovey, you know what I mean? And that does not work. I have to be firm and not give him his own way. So anyways, I do, like even today when I asked him to get out of the bathtub, he just, first of all, when I got him to stand up to wash him, he stood right up and let me wash him, whereas in the previous times he would cry and not want to get up. But he helped me yesterday and said, when your mother talks to you to get up, you listen. And so now today I said, get up, I need to wash you. He stood right up and I washed him. So he's getting good. He's starting to catch on to, listening, and yeah.
personally, I don't have any problem with him staying in the bath, guys.
No, well, we had to go on the road.
We have to go, so
Yeah.
understand he can spend as long as possible in the bath.
Yeah.
But that's if we doesn't have nothing to do.
Mommy, fire truck.
Yeah, there's a fire truck. You see that over there, hey? Yeah.
Fire truck.
That's a fire station over there, bud. Yeah. He looks out the window and sees everything. Normal 3-year-old. He spotted it way over there. Oh, there's a van in the way, but yeah, it's over right there. Fire truck. There it is. Yeah. Good. I'm just coming to get Cloud.
This one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. The Cloud.
So guys, I'm getting that. So I have atopic dermatitis, so I have to be very careful what I put on my skin. So these are hypoallergenic, sensitive skin, fragrance free. And because I'm getting old, I have to make sure I have all the products. So yeah, this is my haul. So we got some freebies. What is it? Ooh. What is it?
There is Neostrata, which is a neck firming cream,
Okay.
which is pretty good and the bestseller.
Okay.
We also have some fragrance and another eye cream for you.
Nice. Thank you. Babe stayed in the car with Rajero. Let's see. He's looking out the window. I know it.
Very good.
There's our mom. It's a beautiful day here, Mom. We wish you were here. Oh, look at the sky. Wow.
I will soon get there.
I know. I can't wait.
I will soon get there.
It's very...
Here I will be coming.
Okay. It's very beautiful here. You're going to love it.
Yes.
So guys, we're at the Reef Indoor Playground in Campbell River. It's right behind the Winners and Jisk. Jisk is here, Winners is over here. So let's see. Oh, that's a cool truck. That's a cool truck. So, we've never been here before, but we're gonna see if this is a good place for Rajero. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Okay. So you got a bracelet on? Oh, wow. Are you gonna play in the playground? Yeah. Okay, go ahead. Show mommy. Climb right up. Go ahead. Climb up. Now run over that way. Go all the way that way. Yeah. Wow. Is it fun?
Yeah.
Whee! Ooh, almost. Come on, babe. I have faith in you. Oh! Raj, you gonna try to get a ball in? You go on this side, and Daddy go on this side. You go on that side.
Guys, I haven't worked out in so long. My knees feel weak. Ooh. Ooh. You did? It went in?
You didn't get it?
Yeah, I get it.
Please, dear Heavenly Father, let my husband get it in. Please, Lord. Oh, see? Try to get it in, Raj. Oh, so close, Raj. Peppermint tea. Guys, I don't know what's going on, but my chest is weak. Asthma or something. Good old peppermint tea. They got cool lights. So cool. Did you have fun? You ready to go? Okay. Stop, stop, look both ways. Make sure there's no car coming. No car coming. Okay, let's go. Go on the crosswalk. On the crosswalk, babe. Do you ever want to go back again? Yeah, okay. What are you going to do for supper?
Oh no, guys, I got some coupons in the mail.
He's still talking about these KFC coupons. KFC is not even good here, but okay.
I got some coupons in the mail. I'm gonna use them today. Because I'm not cooking. I don't think they want to go and cook either. So.
I got food taken out, but I'll cook it tomorrow.
Oh, you got food taken out?
I got chicken wings, and I want to make some brown stewed chicken. And I want to make chicken wings because, you know, our favorite is chicken wings.
So you got both of them taken out?
Yeah, but we can
We
cook
could
them.
still have KFC though, and then.
Oh, yeah, because we can do it
It's
later.
what, 5?
If not, we'll do it tomorrow. It's not a big deal. So you had fun, Papa?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. You want some chicken?
Yeah.
You hungry?
Yeah.
Okay. So, yeah.
Some chicken.
You want some chicken? Okay, we're going to get some chicken. So guys, this is the lineup in Campbell River. One truck. I know, they got coupons in the mail and there's still only one person in the drive-thru. Can you just imagine, babe, if there was coupons in Jamaica?
You never get through. You join the line from 12.
Guys,
And even when 12 in the morning, they still haven't get you.
we were in Kingston for what, 5 days? Every time we went to KFC or drove by it, it was at least 15 or 20 cars. And then we went into the mall to the ice cream Tutti Frutti. And that lineup was like, you guys, I think I showed it on the video. There's so many people. So yeah, that's the difference between Canada and Jamaica. We got our coupons, so let's see what we're gonna get.
Guys, where? You think you can get like, what's this like? You think you'll get like a 2-piece? This is like a meal deal for $5 in Jamaica. It never. Hi, I got a coupon for a code 7 coupon.
You have a coupon, sorry?
Yeah, code 7.
The code, sir?
Code 7.
7, the Papa meal,
Yeah,
$12.99. Okay.
yeah.
Let me just get
I guess I'm 10.
And what's your side?
Huh?
What is your
The side?
side
What's your side? What do you want, baby?
Coleslaw.
with the 2 fries?
Coleslaw. Can we have 2 coleslaw with the fries?
2 coleslaw.
That
Any tipping
one?
sauce with that?
Huh?
Any tipping sauce with that?
Wait,
Yeah.
Rajero, wait, honey.
We'll have honey mustard and barbecue.
And barbecue?
Yeah.
Just one more?
And I want a sweet and sour too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got that?
Yeah.
Anything else for you?
I got another coupon.
Okay.
This is
Anything?
the baby one, the number 2 coupon.
The 2-piece chicken and fries?
Yeah.
2-piece chicken and fries. Okay, I got that.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it?
Yep.
Alright. It comes to $19.55 to temper.
$19. Well, babe wants chicken, so he's buying it.
Huh? Credit card. And I will always make you
What are you
You always laugh. You never
Guys, what
try
are
to
you
encourage
singing?
me.
No,
Oh
you
my
said
God.
something. I don't know what you're singing, babe. What is it?
And I
It almost sounds like Whitney Houston, but
Can you understand that I don't know the lyrics to the song?
what song is who sings
I
it?
don't know.
Is it? Did you make it up?
No, it's a song.
Oh, is it?
And I will always make you cry. You're my own. And don't care if I know. I live my life the way I feel. No matter what.
Guys, this is why they didn't do my operation today. Because I have such a bad cough. Anyway, here's it. We're gonna go somewhere nice and eat this.
Baby, love you.
Yes, I love you. I love my husband so
Baby, you
much.
love your husband.
I love my husband because he makes me feel special. Because he treats me like he loves me, like he cares about me. Like, I mean a lot. And we're a team. And we do things for me
Yeah.
and because of me.
So what's good, one good trait about me?
Mommy, is he happy now?
One good trait about you is I know you don't think you're patient, but I find you're very patient with me.
What's one toxic trait?
Oh, gee. One toxic trait is sometimes you're cranky, but I just don't notice that since we brought Rajero here.
Oh, okay.
But you can be really cranky and really like serious and
Look at this.
I know, isn't that pretty, honey? Such a nice scenery. So guys, this is called the Spit. It's a very nice spot in Camel River where everybody comes to eat. So all these people probably got Dairy Queen or A&W or, you know, they just sit here and they eat and they just get some peace and quietness. Yeah, a lot of people don't go a lot of places here, but they'll come here just to get out of the house and go get a coffee. Some people walk their dog, they go for a little walk.
Yeah, some people walk their cats and stuff.
No, they don't. Do they? I don't know. Maybe.
So
Right
what?
here?
People can't walk their cat there?
Well, yeah. No, you know what? There's a girl in our apartment building. She has a stroller for her cat. You ever see her? There's a...
See anybody. I'm always resting, but my wife will see anybody.
I see her all the time. She's got like a
She's
baby
always on the go.
carriage.
Like, trust me.
So anyway, guys, here, look at this view. Now, who would not want to come and eat their food here? Look at this. And at night, there's a sunset right over here. Oh my gosh, it's just so beautiful, guys. Wow, look at that. Look at the clouds. So nice. If you don't ask for ketchup, they don't give you any. So let's see what you got. Babe got popcorn chicken.
Oh my god, look how much popcorn chicken this, guys.
Let me see what you got, Papa.
One chicken.
You want chicken? Let's see your box. Where's your
Where's your
chicken?
box?
Show everyone your box of
Where's the
chicken.
meal deal box?
Get your box.
Where's your chicken? Where's your food? Take it up.
Get the box. Show everyone your... Okay, guys. Let me see if I can get this back here. That's his. It's 2 pieces of chicken and fries. And we got coleslaw. How is it?
You should take a picture, babe.
Okay. So, guys, chicken 100% better in Jamaica, but the French fries are better here. They put some kind of seasoning on them. They're so good. Was it good, Papa?
Yeah.
Now you're thirsty.
Guys, I'm having my coleslaw with chicken and some barbecue sauce on it. That's good.
I just had a couple pieces of popcorn chicken. I had my coleslaw and a few fries, and I am full. And Rajero did a pretty good job.
Thank you. That way, go.
Daddy,
See the boat?
that's good.
Pick the ball, Raj. Get it. Get it. Get it from Daddy.
Kick it back. Down that side, I'm gonna kick it to you. You control it, look. Pull up that side, I'm gonna kick it to you. Look. Stay that way, I'm gonna kick it to you, kick it back to me. Turn around now. So you're gonna kick it with the inside of your foot, okay? With the inside of your foot, to me. Kick it back to Daddy.
There you go. He loves the ball, guys. Slam ball. Tire him out, take him home, and he'll be ready for bed. Team Jamaica. Oh, it's cold. I had to come in. It's freezing for me. You guys don't feel it, but I do. Camel River is such a nice place to raise a child. It's so peaceful. It's not dangerous here. Team Jamaica, yay! Akeen loves, we call it soccer here in Canada, but in Jamaica they call it football. Akeen loves football. You bet he got a son to play it with, I'm sure. So nice to see. Okay, babe, okay. Okay. Babe, you're out of shape.
Wild baby.
You're out of shape.
I'm done. That was a good workout though.
Yeah. We gotta take him here all the time. And just look at him, he loves it. You ready to go home, take a bath? You wanna go home, take a bath?
Yeah.
Okay, pick up your ball. Team Jamaica in the house.
Guys, I've been a son of big perks. I haven't kicked a ball since 2017. And trust me, it's not an easy one to get back out there on the battlefield. Oh my God. Woo! Rajero,
Daddy?
you have daddy out and about.
Yeah.
I love you.
Love you.
Did you enjoy today?
No.
Yeah? Okay. I love you.
Love you.
I used to be right into sports when I was in school, and when I played soccer 1 year, and I thought, "What?" I might have had a touch of asthma back then, but I know it was the hardest sport I ever played in my life. Yep.
So guys,
I can't play it till my knee is
I
fixed.
think that's the end of our vlog.
Yeah.
That's the end of today's vlog. We thank you all for checking in, tuning in, liking, commenting, and subscribing. I want you to know that we love you all so much. Stay tuned for more.
We appreciate you. God bless you, and until next time.
Peace out.
Good night, fingers. Till last night.
Ireland boss, I represent for Akeen and Jenn. And you know them YouTube channels, so I tell you no, I send you no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The pass wasn't clear. No tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?